Hello friends, welcome to today's video. So as you can see, I have a Ouija board here that I made. I made this 2, maybe 3 years ago, I think. It was in one of my Halloween series that I was doing at the time. I'm not doing it anymore. And I use this as a laptop table, I guess, so that the laptop can breathe while I'm working, and also I don't burn my legs. So, I made this so long ago, and originally when I first got into resin, I had decided that I wanted to, shut up phone, I had decided that I wanted to top this off with resin. Do not disturb. Okay. You know, just to give it a nice clean base and hopefully keep these letters stuck down. Now, they're stuck down really darn well with, I think, 4 layers of Mod Podge. But I don't know, I wanted to make it look nice with resin, and I'm finally taking the time to do it. Now, that being said, I don't know how well this is going to go. I've got blue tape here to, you know, make like a border around this. I'm hoping that that is sufficient enough to hold the resin in place and it won't basically leak everywhere, but you don't know until you try. So that's my plan. Super simple. I was thinking that I might put some glitter in it, but I don't know. I can't find my good holographic glitter anywhere. So I don't know. I guess we'll see on the day, and today is that day, so I guess we'll see here in a minute. But yeah, that's the plan. I'm going to tape this off, get it all nice and cleaned up, make sure there's nothing on here that I don't want to encase in resin for the rest of its life. And yeah, so we're gonna try and see if we can do this. All right, stick around. Hey guys, this is a gentle reminder to please hit that like button, and if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks so much. Alright, it's cured. Yeah, it looks great. I'm super happy with it. I am nervous to see how bad it is around the edges. But, let's just peel the tape off. Okay. So, oh, that's weird. Got like a bulge right here. So I will have some sanding to do, obviously. Some of the resin did leak down the sides, which is not a big deal because I can just sand that off. I mean, I know you guys aren't seeing me peel it off right now because this board is so freaking big. Yeah, you can see like right here where the resin came down and stuck on the tape a little bit. But the rest of it looks pretty good. Like, I knew I would need to sand, you know, some parts, so I'm not at all surprised about that. And a bit of tape under this resin over here. And also over here. Okay, so that's most of the tape off. I am not going to worry much about the rest of it right now because I'm just going to sand it down anyway. So yeah, so that's how it came out. I think it looks great. Yeah, what do you guys think? So right here you can see where the tape had not stayed at the top, so it kind of bulged out a little bit. The tape did. So the resin got down in there, but again, I'm just going to sand it off anyway. So what do you guys think? I'm not too mad about it. I think it turned out great. If you have any suggestions on a cleaner way to do this, or how to make sure that the resin doesn't, you know, seep under the tape, let me know. If you enjoyed this video, please do let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. It really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new and you want to see more, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.